Let's dive right into the video of today. Today we'll be looking at the University of Bridgeport. Guys, I cannot emphasize on the number of reviews people have given me in terms of this university and how people got admitted just in 3 weeks, and many people even traveled already to the United States studying in this university. Let's look at the types of aid merit scholarships that this university is offering, focusing on the international scholarships as I believe that is most important to many people. So this university, they offer different kinds of scholarship, like partial scholarship, awarded incoming undergraduate international based upon academic merit, and there is no separate application required, meaning that once you submit your application, automatically you're being considered for the different scholarships. And the academic scholarships range from 5,000 to 20,000 per academic year. And as you can see, we have the trustee scholarship that is the highest, up to $20,000. We have the presidential scholarship, which is up to 15,000. Provost scholarship, which is up to 12,500. Dean scholarship, which is five no, it's up to 10,000. Academic achievement up to 5,000, and athletic scholarship varies. The athletic scholarship varies because it's not everybody is athletic or wants to participate in the athletic part of it. But if you're an athletic professional in any field that is being offered in the school, you stand a chance of having full coverage because they really prioritize their athletes and they don't joke with them. So if you're athletic, this is a great opportunity for you to also apply, as you can even get full scholarship, guys. So please tell them in your application that you are athletic if you actually are. So, guys, there are also opportunities for international graduate students. So, for graduate students, the university offers an international graduate scholarship program for incoming international graduate students, and there are two amounts awarded, $3,000 and $4,000. It is really based on the academic achievement and test scores. This is for the graduate scholarship. But the details are there as follows. So all graduate programs in the Trade School of Business, Public and International Affairs, and all graduate programs in the School of Engineering are eligible for this award. So there are still some terms and conditions in terms of this award. And remember that all applicants are automatically considered for this award. You don't need to apply separately. This is one of the few universities that offers quality education and also very affordable. So, guys, do well to check them out. Let's take a quick break and look at something very important before we continue. So, guys, this is the Amber Student Housing Portal. Guys, I just wanted to share this great information with you guys. So, if you get admitted in any school globally around the world and you're wondering where can you get a place to stay, this is the best stop for you, the Amber Student. So, not only do they provide great housing facilities at affordable rates, but also they offer 5,000 scholarship that you're eligible for once you purchase a house with them or you rent a house with them. So, guys, please do well to check it out on the link on the screen and let me know what you find. Let's continue. So, guys, as we said, the school has one of the best quality of education and also so many scholarship and financial aid opportunities. So these are some great resources for international students that they have, like the Fast Web. It's an online resource for paying and preparing for college. If you're wondering how will you start, where will you start from, this is a great place to check out. They have the Edu Pass, which provides information for international students who are thinking about pursuing undergraduate, graduate, or professional education in the United States. If you're wondering what undergraduate, graduate, or professional education looks like in the United States, where do you start from? This is a great stop. The Raw Fund, all of these are great resources that you can really check them out if you're still struggling to figure out things. This school also offers grants that and you don't need to repay them. Once you get it, you have gotten it. So they offer grants of up to $7,395. $5, which is great and does not have to be repaid. So you can also check out the grant options. So these are the different grants that the school offers, the Pell Grants, the University of Richmond grants, and so much more. They also have options of direct loans. So for example, you're not able to get a scholarship, you're not able to get a financial aid assistance, but you really want to study in this school because it's a great school, then check out those options. This is Contact Student Financial Services. This is the number and the email. Everything you need to know about financial aid, please check them out. Let's move on to the academic programs. So once you're on this page, you can select bachelor's or anything that really touch you or something you want to check it out. They have so many amazing programs like accounting, biology, criminal justice, data analytics. The list goes on and on. But for the sake of this video, we'll just look at one of the courses and diving into it and see how you can easily apply by just going through one of the courses. So let's check out accounting. Let's learn more. So once you click on it, you scroll down to the last part of it. You see your future starts today. So once you're there, you just click on apply online, and it's clearly stated that financial aid is available for this course. So you're on a great spot. And I think it's also available for all the other courses, but just always scroll to ensure that it's available for the course you're applying for. Once you click on apply online, it's going to take you to become a Purple Knight. Apply now. So once you're accepted into the school, then they call them Purple Knights. That's like their slogan. So why not? Who wouldn't want to become a Purple Knight, right? So once you're here, you choose exactly your state, if you're a graduate student, a transfer student, or a freshman student, depending on your status at the moment. And once you're there, you select what best fits you. So if, for example, you're a freshman, you can either go with a common app or the UB application. Or if you just want to review the checklist, you can check out the applicant's portal before you go into applying. So I really advise you check out the applicant portal before you apply. So let's just look at the UB application. So if it's your first time, you have to create an account. If you're returning, you just log in. So that's how easy it is. But do well to check the checklist before you start so you have everything ready. Let's look at the easy overview of the application process, right? So once an application is received, an automated email will be sent to you, the email address provided in the application. If something is missing that is needed to complete the application, we will send a follow-up email. Each applicant is thoroughly reviewed by the admissions committee before a final decision is rendered. They don't just rush over things, they take their time. We have no set formulas we follow when we review applications. Countless hours are devoted to ensuring that it is fair and open. So once you're here, you can still start your application here if you do not start through the course directly. So this is the website, guys, and this website takes you directly to the financial aid option so you can see, but from there you can navigate however you want. That is the contact for international admissions. Please do well to check them out. If you have any questions of any kind, reach out to them. And I wish you guys all the best. This is an amazing opportunity. I just went to the most important points, but there's a lot to explore on their website. So if you're curious about anything, student experience, anything, just do well to check out the website and you find so many resources. Use the resources and just have the best time ever. I wish you guys all the best. And please do well to check out other videos on my platform. I have amazing uploads, things that the deadline is fast approaching, guys. So please, if you're trying to travel abroad, check out the latest videos on my channel. You'll see so many amazing opportunities and try to apply before the deadline. Of course, you can still prepare and apply for next year. That is why we're here, to keep sharing. Thank you all so much for the love and the support. I see you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.